How to cash out Tremendous gift card. Tremendous is a financial technology platform that helps businesses send rewards and payouts globally in forms like gift cards, prepaid cards, or direct payments. It simplifies cross-border transactions with user-friendly tools, extensive redemption options, and secure operations. First, you can add Tremendous gift card to your account. Then you can send or transfer money to your bank account. Then you can withdraw through ATM or bank. You can also link your Tremendous card to Cash App. Add funds from the Tremendous card, then withdraw them through Cash App. That's it. Thanks for watching.